the new service innovation by Mercedes-Benz Trucks. Mercedes-Benz Uptime. The intelligent networking of the vehicle, Mercedes-Benz service and your haulage company. The fully automatic telediagnosis continuously checks the status of the vehicle systems in real time. Data is interpreted within seconds, critical situations are detected, and a specific recommended course of action is provided. Should maintenance or repair work become necessary, Mercedes-Benz service will support you quickly and individually, with solutions which are perfectly coordinated with your tour plans and the status of the vehicle. For you, this means that workshop visits can be planned more efficiently and vehicle availability is increased. Real-time support for customer repairs. Maintenance work not undertaken at the proper time increases wear on the vehicle and can cause breakdowns or damage. With Mercedes-Benz Uptime, you'll always receive information about necessary maintenance work in good time via the Mercedes-Benz Uptime customer portal. By following the clear instructions, you can complete this work yourself, thus avoiding unnecessary workshop visits and repair costs. Efficient management of repair and maintenance work. When the need for service or repair work is detected early, this information is automatically relayed to the Mercedes-Benz service partner of your choice. Your service partner will combine the service and repair work that's due and will contact you proactively with a suggested appointment date. Due to transparency on the status of your vehicles provided in real time, the workshop is well prepared for your visit. As a result, your workshop visits and the downtime related to them are kept to a minimum. Avoiding vehicle breakdowns. If downtime for your truck is imminent, you'll be informed immediately by the Mercedes-Benz Customer Assistance Center. Our staff will find a suitable workshop along your vehicle's route and will ascertain the availability of the necessary parts and resources in advance in order to ensure immediate repair. In this way, breakdowns and the stress of organizing appointments are avoided, and you can complete your transportation jobs on time. Mercedes-Benz Uptime. Efficiency is the sum of the details. Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.